Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. I am sitting here working on necklaces. What I did is I gave myself a challenge to make four necklaces before Tuesday. So they are going to be the nice chunky necklaces. I made one this morning before I went to service, and I did post that video. And I am going to work on another one now. I'm going to try to get two made before I go back to services at 5 o'clock. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm working on a necklace. I do have some events coming up in June, and I am going to be doing 2 in August. So the events that I'm going to be doing are more so like women empowerment, women conferences, you know, those type things. And I want to have enough of the chunky necklace sets made. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. We're going to go ahead and get this started. And somebody had asked me the length of wire that I cut. This is 29 inches so that I can get it to be a 22-inch necklace. I like to roll the end of the wire and then wrap it around. It just gives it a very attractive look to me, the more wire that I wrap around the end of it. So that's why I cut it the way I cut it. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. And this is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to have these just kind of dangling, so they're more like little big charms on the end. And I'm going to put one of the big beads like so, and then I'm going to spread the wire, and I'm going to take these little bitty shell beads that I have, and I'm going to put these on here if I can see the hole. So that's one, and then I'm going to take it and put this one on here if I can see the hole. So it looks like that so far. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these beads I got yesterday, ceramic beads I got yesterday, and you buy new beads and you get all excited and you really want to make something, okay? It's like you're excited about making jewelry anyway, but when you get new supplies, you just like extra excited, okay? So I'm going to do that way, and that looks like what I'm thinking I want it to look like so far, because I want some chunkiness down here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 of these beads and put one on each side like that, and then one on that side like that. And this is what we come up with so far. So then what I'm going to do is I have 2 of the metal beads that I covered with wire. So I'm going to put one on each side. And let's hope this gives us some the bang we're looking for. So we're going to put this one on here. And that's the look we got so far. It almost look like the bottom part almost look like a fish. And then we have this going on up here. So let's see what else we get. And then we're going to use 2 of these beads. Oh, that paint on my hand. I've been painting beads even when I got here. So we got, I'll put this one on here. And we'll take that other one and put it here. So we'll have one on each side. Like that. And then what I was thinking I want to do is take 2 more of these beads. I'm like really skimpy with these. Maybe because I use a lot of wire, and I try to just, if I do make a necklace, I try to only use 2 as opposed to using 4, 6, 8 or whatever. But in this case, I do want to, I want to use 4 because the event that I'm going to is going to be high foot traffic, and it's a upper scale clientele that'll be there. So okay, so and then I want pieces that are just like blow your mind beautiful. That's what I'm going for. So if I have to use extra, you know, product just to give it that look, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I got that. And then I'm going to use a couple of the hand painted beads. Oh my God, I don't remember her name, but one of the subscribers was asking about tarnish resistant components like jump rings. I have bought jump rings from, of course, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, and there is one place, I don't remember the name, but off of Etsy, right? So if anybody knows exactly where she can get tarnish resistant jump rings, all sizes, can you be sure to put it in the comment section for me, please? Because I've never had a problem with any of the jump rings tarnishing on me, like where I bought them at, Joann's, Hobby Lobbies, and I remember that place on Etsy, but one of the places on Etsy. So this is this right here. Also, I want to thank Miss Tamila. Tamila bought a bunch of the hand-painted beads, and she did like a unpackaging, really nice unpackaging, just showing her support, and I really do appreciate you for that. Really, really, truly do. And then this is what we got. I like this. That's pretty, right? And then I think what I'm going to do is close it off with, let's see which beads we can close it off with. I got a couple of, let's see if we can use a couple more of these ceramic beads. So this will go smaller. And then I think I want to use different colors. So we'll go with, let's go with this color right here. That's amazing to me how you know the hole is the same width on each side, but sometimes it's difficult for the wire to go through. Like now, look. That would make no sense right there. So let's see. There we go. And let's see what we got. I think I might need to put... That's pretty. That's really pretty. And I think I'm going to put one more. I'm going to put 2 more beads on here. 1 on each side. That'll be these ceramic beads. And then that means the colors will blend, like all these colors on the end, blend well with all the other pieces on here. Let's put this on here. And let's see what we got. That's pretty. That's really pretty. So we got... Yeah, so we put, and you see how much more elegant and unique that looks with 4 of these beads. So if I didn't have 4 of these on here, you can kind of see what it would look like. But with 4 on there, it gives it a really, really pretty, very unique, very different look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the end, fold it over, that one. Hold it with my fingers. You probably can't see this, but I'll do the other side so you can see. And then I'm going to wrap my wire around like so. I don't have to put a little small bead on here because the hole is a small hole. So that's okay. And I do want to use all the wire that I have. So now I'm going to take this side, and what I do is I take my wire, I pinch it, fold it over, pinch it, and then wrap the wire around like that while I'm holding this rounded part. Straighten that up and just keep wrapping my wire. I try to get it a little thick around the bottom and then take it upward. Like so. And then it's a little tight, So I'm going to just push the bead up just a little bit, and then that loosens it up. You got to be careful, because if not, you'll push it up so far to where you have a lot of space. So let me do this. Close this off really good right here. So we got that part. And then I just want to close this all the way down, like, yay. Make sure you don't feel anything on either side. And then let me see. I have to make this a little bit looser. Let me grab a jump ring, because I'm gonna put the jump ring on here. And then I'll come back and double jump ring it and put lobster clasp. Close that nice and close together. And I haven't made any earrings for this yet, because I wasn't sure, like, really what it was going to look like. I don't be sure about what none of them is going to look like. I just be doing, you know, a pair of earrings beforehand. But this one, I didn't do that. Oh, you know what I did? Oh, no, let me see. I was going to say, I put that on backwards. No, I didn't. All right, so let's see. I think I might have did. Oh, okay, let's see. So this is what I want. I want it to be nice and chunky. So I want it to be nice and chunky. So let me see. I do like the way this came out. This is really, really nice. I like this. Let me turn this around. Turn this around. And then this is what we got. And this is what I wanted. I wanted nice and chunky, like big down here. So we got what we wanted. And then we got a big bead right here. And then you can see where I put those little small beads. I took the wire through the big bead and then, you know, opened it. And I do like this. I like the way this looks right here. So we have, and I do like I like it with the 4 wire wrap beads. I really like that. Really, really, really like that. That's good. I like that. These beads are in my Etsy shop. These are the hand painted beads. Some of these are in the shop right now. This is really, really nice. I like this. And I'm thinking the earrings, I have some of the beads left over. So what that means is I have to wrap the beads in order to make the beads earrings. So what I'm going to do to make this really stand out is take 2 of these. I'm going to probably wrap all 4 of these. I'm going to wrap these. I actually got 5 or 6 of them. So I'm going to wrap these, and these are going, these meaning these metal beads are going to become earrings like this. So I'll do them exactly like this, and this is what the earrings will be to make this this necklace set really pop. I was trying to see if I have any around here. I got 1, so that'll give you an idea. Oops. Let me see something. Just give me an idea about, just take a look. I do have to wrap them. Put that there. Grab this with my little pliers. Fold that over. Wrap that wire. And just keep wrapping it around, because I do like it to be, you know, nice and full. It just adds a little something to it. So I'll clip this little part off right at my finger. And make sure that's closed down. I just want to see, because I made some of these earrings before. Where's my jump rings at? I made some of these before. And if I dig around here, I might even have some in one of these buckets, and I might not even have to wrap anything. But for right now, I'll do a quick little earring so we can see something. Just as a show and tell. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just do these. I'm gonna make another one. Well, wrap another bead. So this will be the set, right? I am gonna take this apart though and make it look a lot neater. But I just want to see, get an idea. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because I like this one. So this is number 2. And I got 2 more necklace sets to make. I really like this one. And I do like it. The more metal beads that are covered in wire, wrapped in wire, I like these. Shoot, I might have to be doing more of them, right? Because I really like the way they look. It really adds a lot to it. Anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. I'm working on, let me see, 2 more necklace sets. So guess what, family? We'll talk.